After today's video, you will never go back to those frozen hash browns that you get from your local supermarkets, because today we're making fresh, homemade, crispy, golden brown hash browns. This is going to be fantastic, guys. Let's get right to it. Hey, how's it going? Thank you so much for dropping by to yet another Food with Adil video. Now, this is my last video in 2020. It's been a roller coaster of a year for all of us across the globe, and I only started to upload on YouTube, mid-October time, so it's only been about 10 weeks now, and the support I've been getting is absolutely phenomenal. Anyways, we're making quick, simple, easy hash browns. Let's go right to it. Right, to get started, I've got two Maris Piper potatoes. It's easily available at pretty much any supermarket. I've got two small to medium sized potatoes. We're going to grate these through this multi-purpose grater. So let's just go and grate these and get started. Now, when you get into the end, just be very careful, because this thing is pretty damn sharp and you don't want to lose a finger, or part of your finger I should say. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of moisture in these potatoes, and we want to get rid of that. That's how you get that nice crisp factor, the golden color from it. Right, there's two ways to get all of the moisture out of this. One, you can lay it in a clean towel, and we're just going to squeeze all the water out, which is the method I'm going to do. Or the other one is just to use paper towels, which absorb the water quite well. I just kind of keep rolling them until all the moisture comes out. I find this technique and method a lot more viable for what we're going to do. So the potatoes that we've grated are in here, and we're just going to keep turning this and get all of the, just look at that. Insane amount of liquid coming out of there. Just incredible how much moisture is packed in these potatoes. Just fluff these up and you can tell how dry they've gotten, especially since we've taken all of the moisture out of them. Now, a nice pinch of salt. I'm using sea salt here, and a nice pinch of black pepper. We're just going to give this a light toss, get all of the salt and pepper mixed with the potatoes. Now, once you're happy with that, we're going to put a pan on the heat. Let's go to it right now. Now, I've got a frying pan over here on a medium-low heat, and we're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. Just a bit more, there we go. That's just going to help it get that beautiful golden crispiness going. This is going to take 30 minutes to cook. 15 minutes on one side, we flip it. 15 minutes on the other side. 30 minutes, you've got banging homemade hash browns, which you are going to love. All right, it's been about 30 seconds, and literally we're going to grab all of these, and that's why you want to hear that sizzle. Put these on there and just spread them out, literally with your hand. Just spread them out to the edges if you've got a small frying pan. If you've got a large one, just get it as far as you feel comfortable. And then we're just going to push these edges in a bit, just tidy up, because the edges are going to get brown a lot quicker than the center, so we just don't want these to burn out. And we'll put the alarm on for 15 minutes. And we'll be back in 15 minutes, guys, and this will be ready to flip. Once you've got a nice crust formed at the bottom, you shouldn't have any problem flipping this. So 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, look at that beauty. Yes, it's a bit dark, guys, but that crunch is going to be wonderful. And we're just going to add a tad more olive oil just around the edges, and just rotate it around. That, my friends, is going to be perfect. Another 15 minutes to go, and we are going to have beautiful hash browns that have been made at home, fresh, none of that frozen store-bought nonsense. Be back in 15 minutes, my friends. Right, the next 15 minutes are over, guys, and we're going to take this off, and that's it. It's ready. It's as simple as that. So that's it, people. Hash brown made at home. Yes, mine's gone a little dark because I went to play a game of Warzone in the 15 minutes and kind of ticked over, so it's gone a little dark. But just take it off about 12 to 14 minutes, or up to 15 minutes on a low gas. But it's all about, I don't have a fork right now, but hear the crunch. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. and it's just soft, and the potatoes that are in the center are really soft. What can I say? Perfect. Almost perfect hash browns. Just keep eating it. Like, we're down to a quarter. I'm just gonna eat this right in front of you guys because I'm telling you, it's really crunchy from the outside because it's gone that slight bit overcooked, but the middle is still like just soft. Now that was my second attempt ever in making hash browns at home. The first one just went poof, gone. It was like pitch black. But anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell because 1st of January, my friend, is going to be a juicy video. You won't want to miss that. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for all of your support for 2020 in the last 10 weeks since I started uploading. Oh, excuse me. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for all your support. Be safe, stay safe, be kind to one another. I'll catch you all in the next video. Assalamu alaikum and Happy New Year's, my friends.